How to draw a fancy purse. We're going to start off by drawing a wide U-like shape. This will be the main part of our purse. Next, we're going to draw a straight line going across the top, connecting the two sides of our purse. Now we're going to draw a long, thin oval above that line that we just drew. Make sure to stick around until the very end so that we can color in our drawings together. Looking great, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. Now above the middle of our purse, we're going to draw two small circles. This will be for part of the clasp of our purse. From the right circle, we're going to draw two small curved lines coming downwards. Then we're going to do the same thing and draw two curved lines coming down from the left circle. Wow, Learn How to Draw Hub crew, our fancy purses are looking great. Now we just have to draw the strap. We're going to draw small circles going all the way around from the left side of the purse to the right side of the purse. This will make it look like our strap is made out of pearls. You can draw your purse strap just like us, or you could make it however you would like. Wow, looking great, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. I really like how you're drawing your purse strap. This is how to draw a fancy purse. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you like step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Now let's go color in our purses together.
Hey, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.